In this video, I will be replacing the shift knob on a 2014 Mazda 6. This is the replacement shift knob, link in the description below. As you can see, it's very basic, there's not much to it. Comparing it next to the original shift knob, you can see that it's similar, but there's minor differences. I think the original shift knob looks better and feels nicer, but the replacement is not too bad. Let's get started. The first thing is to disassemble the original shift knob. To do this, turn it counterclockwise. A lot of turns. Once it feels very loose, slip it off. Here are the two shift knobs side by side. The bottoms seem very similar. The dimensions are very similar overall. Here's a side view. Now for the tops. The differences are very small, but the lettering on the original is nicer, I think. Okay, to install the new shift knob, slip the hole over the threads and turn it clockwise. It should get tighter the more you turn it. I don't know if it'll bottom out, but I take it that once the bottom of the shift knob is pressing against the leather base that I've gone far enough. Maybe one more turn. Click. Now I just align it so that the shift knob is straight. There you go. Hope this helps. See you all next time.